Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today we are going to look at a device and some functionality that almost all of our members use. Now for the iPhone users amongst you, it's very difficult to go a whole day without using the keyboard. It may seem a simple concept, however there are a few hints and tips that can help make you more efficient when you're using it. There are lots available, but these are some of my most used ones. So first of all we have slide to type. Now, when I'm using a phone with two hands, I tend to use just my thumbs to type, and I am pretty quick. However, when I'm using just the one, I often find it quicker to use the slide to type functionality. And this is as simple as sliding your finger over the letters that you want to type. And iOS is clever enough to predict which words you need, ensure they're spelled correctly, and I do find this to be an extremely useful feature, and surprisingly accurate as well. Next, there can be times when I've made a mistake when I am typing, and using the backspace or delete key can feel like a little bit too much effort. So a quick shake of the phone will act as an undo, and then you just need to tap to confirm. And there my last block of typing is gone.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.